of 2.3 years. In heavily polluted areas, the impact can be even more severe, exceeding reductions caused by smoking or infectious diseases. 3. Indoor pollution kills 3.2 million people. Each year, indoor air pollution from cooking with solid fuels like wood, coal, and dung is a leading cause of death in developing countries. It is linked to respiratory infections, lung diseases, and heart conditions, disproportionately affecting women and children. 4. Water pollution harms 1 billion people annually. Contaminated water kills more people globally than all forms of violence combined, including war. Poor sanitation and industrial waste contribute to waterborne diseases like cholera, diarrhea, and dysentery. 5. Noise pollution can lead to heart attacks. Prolonged exposure to high noise levels, such as traffic and industrial sounds, is associated with increased risks of hypertension, stress, sleep disturbances, and even heart attacks. 6. Microplastics are found in human blood. Recent studies have discovered microplastics in human blood, indicating that we ingest these tiny particles through food, water, and even air. Long-term health effects are still being studied, but concerns include inflammation and cellular damage. 7. Air pollution harms cognitive development in children. Exposure to air pollution during pregnancy and early childhood is linked to developmental delays, reduced IQ, and an increased risk of neurodevelopmental disorders like ADHD and autism. 8. Over 90% of the world breathes polluted air. The WHO estimates that 9 out of 10 people globally are exposed to unsafe air quality levels. Urban areas in developing nations often exceed air quality guidelines by significant margins. 9. Pollution increases cancer risk. Carcinogens like benzene found in polluted air and water elevate the risk of developing cancers such as leukemia and lung cancer. Long-term exposure to industrial and vehicular emissions also contributes to rising cancer cases. 10. Toxic pollution affects mental health. Emerging research links air pollution to higher rates of depression, anxiety, and even dementia. Pollutants may affect brain chemistry and exacerbate mental health conditions over time. Conclusion: pollution is not just an environmental crisis, it's a pressing health emergency. From causing chronic diseases to reducing life expectancy, its impacts are far-reaching. Taking action to